If you want to whiten your teeth at home, here are the top 10 methods. On the red carpet and in glossy publications, we all admire the celebrities and models' dazzling white smiles and wish we had them too. It's reasonable that some people may not have the financial means to undergo a professional teeth whitening procedure. Here are 11 tried-and-true methods for whitening your teeth naturally, which can help you save money and prevent enamel damage. Before we go into at-home treatments, you should recognize that you can't use all of these methods at the same time. Try settling on just one. Having dental problems at home might also mean that whitening is unsuitable for you. You should verify this with your dentist. Maintaining consistent oral hygiene is crucial to the effectiveness of these procedures. If you want to know how to prevent the most common dental care mistakes, then you should watch this video. The video is informative and useful in every aspect. Let's investigate several at-home teeth whitening methods that are both secure and efficient. 10th, there is activated charcoal. In recent years, activated charcoal has exploded in popularity as a terrific do-it-yourself method for bleaching teeth. Since it is one of the cheapest and most easily accessible natural teeth whiteners, this is to be expected. The pollutants and surface stains left behind by drinks and meals may easily be gone, and the item works well. It has been established, via scientific investigation, that utilizing activated charcoal as a toothpaste may potentially whiten teeth by 3 shades. Therefore, if you want to give it a try, you should do this. You may make a powder by crushing 1 charcoal pill. Brush your teeth as normal by dipping your toothbrush in it and using it to remove plaque. If the black stuff seems to quickly cover your teeth and mouth, don't worry, it will rinse away, leaving behind brighter teeth. Powdered milk and dental paste are items number 9. Milk, in particular, is very beneficial to dental health. Milk's calcium and phosphorus contribute to the remineralization of tooth enamel, which is why it's recommended for dental health. You may either brush your teeth with powdered milk or increase your intake of milk and other dairy products. You may increase the effectiveness of your dental hygiene routine by applying toothpaste to your toothbrush and then dusting it with powdered milk before brushing your teeth. If you do this practice once or twice a week, you will see a difference in your teeth's health, look, and strength. In a dish, combine some lemon juice with baking soda. Baking soda is an effective method for removing superficial stains and restoring a whiter smile. Keeping your smile bright and healthy is easy with the help of lemons, thanks to the vitamin C in lemons, which is known to whiten teeth, and the antibacterial properties of lemons, which destroy germs in your mouth. You may make a tooth whitening paste by combining a little baking soda and lemon juice and applying it to your toothbrush. Keep your whitening routine to once per week. That amount is sufficient to have an effect without eroding tooth enamel. Toothpaste may also be made by mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water. This synergy makes cleaning less of a chore, so you just need to do it twice a week instead of once. 7. Hydrogen peroxides. Since it is a bleaching agent, hydrogen peroxide is crucial to the process of lightening discolored teeth. Make sure your teeth aren't sensitive to hydrogen peroxide before using it. If you're ready, simply apply some peroxide to a cotton swab. Gently rub it over your teeth afterwards. Regular use of this method might potentially erode your enamel, so please exercise caution. Even once or twice a week is plenty. If you don't want to risk damaging your teeth, hydrogen peroxide toothpaste is available for purchase at the store. You won't feel any irritation in your teeth since the other ingredients neutralize the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide may also be used in place of a regular mouthwash. When brushing your teeth, it's important to use a solution of either 1.5% or 3%. Additionally, hydrogen peroxide gel and teeth whitening strips are available. Get your hands on some hydrogen peroxide in whatever manner you can and smile with pride. 6th, mix equal parts of baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda may be used to clean stains off the surface of teeth. Moreover, we have already shown that lemon juice is a rich source of natural bleaching agents. Just mix together 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to get a quick and easy baking powder and lemon juice combination. That's right, toothpaste is used to remove plaque from teeth. This potent mixture takes about 2 minutes to prepare. The golden rule should still be observed. Enamel wear may occur if you leave your teeth exposed for more than 2 minutes. If you take this at-home treatment once or twice a week for 2 weeks, you will have such pearly whites that you will have to warn others to put on sunglasses before you smile at them. The combination of 5 ingredients, salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste, in that order. Another great component for a DIY teeth whitening remedy is sea salt. It contains a wealth of minerals and elements, including the essentials calcium, magnesium, and iron. Sea salt's antibacterial properties contribute to fresh breath and healthy teeth and gums. All you need is half a teaspoon of sea salt, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, a dab of toothpaste, and a bowl to get the same amazing effects at home. Put the solution on your teeth and let it remain for a minute before rinsing. Most of these things should be done once or twice weekly, as is the norm. Blending water and lemon juice, number 4, is like mixing 2 equal parts. All you need is some water and lemon juice to restore your teeth's natural whiteness and sanitize your mouth. To check this, combine 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Simply wash your teeth with the combined solutions and then rinse. Brush your teeth again with your regular toothpaste. Just do it once a week. Another option is to use the mixture of water and lemon as a mask and leave it on the teeth for about 10 minutes. The mouth should be rinsed with water once the alarm sounds. Do this process twice each week for best results. Thirdly, watered down apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar works well as a deodorizer and for household cleaning. It removes tooth discoloration and odor completely. In the morning, before you brush your teeth, try rinsing with a solution made from half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of water. Since the acidity of the vinegar is neutralized by the water, this mixture may be used on a daily basis without fear of harm. Apple cider vinegar applied directly to the teeth is another fantastic alternative. Wait approximately 5 minutes, and then go ahead and gargle with water. This more powerful approach should only be used once per week, since vinegar is corrosive and may damage tooth enamel. Be careful. It's no secret that strawberries are delicious and good for you, but you may not know that they may also help whiten your teeth. Because of their acidity, which, if you hadn't noticed earlier, helps with tooth whitening. An easy way to do this is to just use a spoon to mash up a ripe strawberry. After a few minutes of brushing with this paste, you may be able to get rid of the accumulated yellow stains on your teeth. Doing this once a month is okay. You may as well throw in some baking soda while you're at it. In this case, you should combine 1 strawberry with half a teaspoon of baking soda and mash the 2 together. Mix them together and use the resultant paste to brush your teeth. After 5 minutes have passed, you should gargle with water to remove the compound from your teeth. It's recommended that you practice this at least twice a week. A paste made of baking soda, salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste is the first step. The availability of such powerful medications is a blessing. Nevertheless, why not combine them into a single, more effective treatment plan or rescue remedy? Keep in mind that although we warned you about mixing all the remedies with this particular mixture, as long as you exercise care, you should be okay, since it has a safe enough balance of acidic and alkaline components. So, this is what you need to do. Use a tablespoon of toothpaste, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of baking soda, and 4 or 5 drops of lemon juice to make a homemade teeth whitener. Give this mixture 4 to 5 minutes of your time while brushing. You'll notice a difference with only one usage, but don't get your hopes up. The fast onset of action may be attributed to the potency of this drug. You may only use this method every other month. Be careful not to overdo it and damage your teeth, since the effects of that would be long-lasting. Finally, everything has been summed up. Having a flawless smile is easier to achieve than you may think. I was wondering if you knew of any effective home cures for tooth whitening. Share your thoughts with us by leaving a comment. You may show your approval by clicking the like button if you like the content presented. Because your friends will undoubtedly be wondering how you achieved such pearly white teeth, you should certainly show them this video right now. Keep a positive outlook by subscribing to our channel and seeing further uplifting and enlightening videos.